Hi guys, today I thought I wanted to play with makeup and show you the look I've been wearing throughout November because it's a good look here for Thanksgiving, which is on Thursday because Black Friday is on Friday, so that's a good little reminder. So I am just going to put my headband on so my hair gets out of the way. There, headband's on, then the hair is out of the way. So nice. And yeah, my hair's getting quite long by now because I don't have any inspiration for any hairdos or yeah, haircuts or anything, so I'm just letting it grow by now, and eventually maybe I will get tired of having long, then I will get it into a smart short haircut. So, but for now, we'll let it grow. Now, let's get to the makeup. I'm starting out by priming my face. The Angel Veil primer by NYX. This is so amazing. This gives me, along with my setting spray, like a perfecting filter in real life. It is crazy, but so nice, so nice. Warming up between my fingers and then applying it to my face. Now we're just gonna ignore that little boo-boo I have there. I extracted it this morning when I was doing my morning routine, so it is being treated right now. I just discovered it, and I was like, that hurts. So I was pretty close to my epidermis, to the top layer of the skin, so I could extract it, and that was so nice. And obviously, since it is red, we're going to color correct, and I'm using the NYX Full Coverage Concealer in green, because we all know green is the opposite color of red in the colors wheel. So, like that. And then for concealer, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Defy Concealer in C1. You know, this is like one of my holy grails concealers because it is so full coverage and so that doe foot, so big, has so much product on. And then with my damp Real Techniques complexions sponge, I'm just going to blend the concealer out. Before I get too far, I'm just going to prep my lips with my lip balm. This is one by Burt's Bees, the pomegranate one. I love it. It has lasted since last year actually, and I use it every single day because my lips get so chapped and I don't like that. Foundation time, I'm taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Concealer in Porcelain on the back of my hand. Usually I just take half, like a pump and a half, so that's enough for my face, and then my sponge again, and then just blend it out in the face into this. Now I'm going to set my face, and I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder in light. First I'm going to set my under eye, and I'm taking this brush by BH Cosmetics. Just starting a slight bake. Was it left on brush just on top of my eye? Now I'm taking my powder brush by Real Techniques and just setting the rest of the face. That's the face set. Now I'm just going to my brows off camera and the right side of my face off camera, and then I will be back. Alright guys, let's start by priming. I'm taking the NYX HD eyeshadow base. Just onto the lip with that. And then blend that out. Onto the lower lash line also. And for this look, I'm taking the NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette in Warm Neutrals. This is just, I just love this. Okay, I'm taking the crease brush by BH Cosmetics, and I'm taking this taupe color, or crease color, whatever color we can call it. And then I'm just going to apply it to my crease, first in a dabbing motion, because I have slightly hooded eyes and I want to see the color above the crease. So now I'm just doing a windshield wiper motion and then extending it a bit. And also lower lash line as well. Taking a base shadow brush by Real Techniques, I am taking the color below the crease color. This, he say, a antique gold color because it looks like that right here. And then I'm just gonna apply it to my lid. Taking my blending brush and I'm blending the crease color and the lid color. Not lip. that's a bit later. I'm taking the shading brush by Real Techniques. I'm taking the darkest color in the palette, this, yeah, warm brown, which it is. I'm not taking too much, and I'm just going to apply it so it looks like we have a slight wing, and then I'm just going to blend it into the lid. So we have here the outer third, and then I'm also adding it to my lower lash line, just the middle of the lid, the eye. And you guessed it, the blending brush, just blend that color. I want it to look seamless after all. And also lower lash line. And then for highlight, you guessed it, the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Cottage Cheese. To give such a great highlight. For eyeliner, I'm applying the NYX Matte Liquid Liner on my top lash line and not winging it out because I like the simplicity of it. And then for my inner ramps, I'm applying the NYX Slide On Eyeliner in Jet Black. Then I'm curling my lashes and applying the NYX Worth the Hype Waterproof Mascara. And then I will be back. Time for the rest of the face. I'm taking my NYX Blush and Taupe and my contour brush. And I'm just contouring the face. And for blush, I'm taking one of my e.l.f. blushes in Mellow Mauve and my blush brush by Real Techniques. Cheek here. And then for highlight, you guessed it, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Ice Cold. I love it. I need a warmer one also. What is it? It's called Sarcophagus or something like that, which I have my eye on. Yeah, it's just so the cheekbone, nose bridge, and my cupid's bow. Now it's time for the lips. I'm just going to blot off the Access lip balm. And then I'm taking my lipstick. This is one of the NYX matte lipsticks in the color Couture. I've really been into that very nudish pink lip. So on with this. That's the lips done, and now it's just time to set the face, and I'm using the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray in Rose. And I don't have a lot left. I need to buy a new one, maybe two, so I just have enough. One in stock, always good. And now we're finished with the look. I've just really been enjoying this look so much. Just that golden warm look, and then just a nudish pink lip. It's so good. And now I'm just going to put on my frames. There we go. Look completely done. I love it so much, and I hope you also will. You can use it obviously for this time of year or any day of any time of year, and I think it's very suitable for Thanksgiving here on Thursday. So yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So remember to subscribe, comment, and like this video if you liked it. It really helps me a lot. And then you can follow me on all my social medias and my blog, and then I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.